Hey guys, I grew 72 feet of hair. No, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this Ariana Grande ponytail. As you guys know, I just cut my hair to here in this very bathroom. So the fact that I can do this now is really cool. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Thanks for watching, let's go. Okay guys, this is my hair naturally. It is literally a mess. Like, I don't even know what I would call it other than frizzy. I blow dried it all backwards so you can see how big my forehead is, and honestly I forgot how big it was. Don't comment about how big my forehead is, I know. So the ponytail I'm using here is the Miya by insert name here. This ponytail, like this exact one, was in Ariana Grande's In My Head music video, and I was shook when I found that out because I loved that music video. I'm not even kidding, I've watched it so many times, so the fact that like this is what she was wearing is shocking me. Yeah, so this is the Miya and it's in the color dark brown to match my hair, and if you guys wanted to do this you can DM them and they can like color match you, because that's what they did for me. The color honestly looks perfect for my hair. And another thing I want to say is I did straighten this before I put it on because the texture it comes in is kind of like, it's straight but it's not like sleek straight, so I felt like straightening it would be good to match my natural hair texture, because even though it's kind of frizzy, like it's not really wavy or anything, it's still pretty straight, so I felt like I should straighten it. This is my first attempt. I'm not like a professional at doing this. I actually have only worn a few wigs. I don't really do like that many hair extensions or anything, so we're gonna be doing this together and seeing really how easy it is to do. It comes with this long ponytail part, and then it also has like this piece that you wrap around like that. By the way, I watched Chris Appleton's video on how he does Ariana's ponytail, so I'm gonna try to recreate that tutorial. So the first thing he does is take hairspray and like spray it at the roots just so it all can go back easily. So I'm gonna do that. By the way, the mirror's that way, so that's why I'm looking that way. So we've got a little bit of texture now. If you're at home doing this yourself, the best thing you can do is like flip your head over and form your ponytail into the highest ponytail that you can. I'm gonna flip my head over like this, brush it all into place, get it in a ponytail at the top of my head. I'm gonna tie it. I've got my hair in a ponytail like this. So now what I'm gonna do is secure it with another elastic just so that it's higher up and more secure. Everything looks pretty good. My hair's wild. Maybe I should straighten it. Let me do that. So here's my hair now. It's all straightened. It's very short, but hopefully this works out. This is honestly kind of cute on its own. I should do this hairstyle more often. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is attach the extensions. So I do not really do this. So this is like a true look at like a beginner at hair. If I can do it, anyone can do this. Like, I don't even remember the last time I used a bobby pin, but here we go. Okay, so you open it up and it has this little clasp right there, and you take that and attach it to the base, and then you wrap this Velcro around and cover your like ponytail band. Also make sure you brush it well so it's not going crazy. Look how long it is. Like, this is extra. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I stuck it right here, like underneath the hair tie, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna wrap this little piece that comes with like the hair and wrap it around the entire thing. Guys, we got it. I'm doing it. I'm wrapping it around like so. Do you see? Do you see my art? I'm doing it. Mr. Krabs, I'm doing it. So I think I've actually done it. It's not perfect, but I have placed the ponytail, okay? So the next step is to like clean up the actual hair, because I have a ton of like little baby hairs going everywhere. So I'm going to go and just take some hairspray and just kind of like comb up so that it's not so messy looking, if you know what I mean. In the tutorial, Chris Appleton used a toothbrush to like really polish it. I'm gonna do that. This is kind of trash, but I'm using my old toothbrush head because I have to change it anyway. We're really improvising here. We're so classy, honestly. Preferably you get just like a cheap $1 toothbrush and do this. So here we go. Spraying this. And I'm just gonna brush everything into place and just get it all clean. And he says to brush your hairs up like that, following your cheekbone to give it like a lifted look. So I'm doing that as well. And I'm also gonna lift up the ponytail and do all these hairs here and just get it all clean. This part is done. Everything's like pretty clean for the most part, but for me, I like to have a little hair around my hairline just because I have a huge forehead. I'm gonna go in with the toothbrush head again, and I'm just going to get some baby hairs back. I'm not gonna like style them or anything. I'm just gonna like get them out of this like sleek thing because I feel bald. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go in and kind of do like a little bit of this just to like get them out. You know what I mean? I just did this side and now I've actually got like some little hair framing the face. That's just my preference. Some people like it really sleek like that. I don't because I don't have a small forehead. So yeah, I got some baby hairs back. I don't look as crazy, but for me, my final step is gonna be applying some of this dry shampoo, and this is the brunette one. So it's gonna give a little color to around the hairline like this. And that's gonna give me a little more color there. I know I messed up right here, but it's gonna make it look more full, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go around my hairline and do that. Okay guys, it actually looks really good if you ask me. I feel like it's obviously not perfect. I'm not freaking Chris Appleton, but it's honestly a good job for my first attempt. It really is quite nice if you ask me. Now I guess my last step would be to brush this thing. So of course be careful, but I'm just gonna start from the bottom and brush it out so it's nice and sleek. And it doesn't get tangled that easily. Like, it's very easy to brush through. So there we have it, guys. I have long hair again. Can you believe it? It looks so dramatic. Like, it's so sleek and soft. Honestly, I don't do extra stuff like this a lot. Like, I feel very bougie right now. I feel like I could honestly slap someone with this hair. That was my tutorial. I hope you guys like it. By the way, if you do want to try this out, I have a code with them, which they were so nice to give me, and I'll have a link to the website. You can use my code. It's SophiaC10. You'll get 10% off. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I know I'm not like a hair channel, but this was fun. I really liked doing this. I'm so glad they reached out to me. So thank you to Insert Name Here Hair. I really appreciate you guys working with me. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget, you can always reach out to them on Instagram or whatever you want if you need help. So see you guys next time, and thank you.